everyone, it's Em here today. Happy Munimade Monday. I get to be the one here to show off this new release this week by CuteButWeird. This one is special. I'll tell you why in just a minute. I mean, you can probably already see, but I'll explain in just a minute. So this is by CuteButWeird. We love everything CuteButWeird does over here. Did you guys see that we actually released a sweatshirt designed by CuteButWeird? This is a little bit of a product test that we're doing to see if there is interest in things like that, like clothing pieces that feature artwork from our artists. I think the test went well and it seems like you guys like it. So yeah, hopefully we'll get those restocked. But if you didn't see it, we do still have a couple left in the smaller sizes. And I just think that CuteButWeird makes really good stuff, and you know, it can transcend diamond painting. Like, I know a lot of you really love her work, and so you can wear it now too. So that's exciting stuff, and maybe we'll even come out with more designs in the future. Who knows? Keep an eye out. Today, we have a new diamond painting kit called Moonlight Whiskers. Oh my gosh! And this is a 40 by 40 centimeter piece with about 25,600 diamonds. And it has 35 colors, but what is unique about this one is that all 35 of those colors are shimmer drills. So this is the first time we've ever done this. So this is also a little bit of like a product test to kind of see if you guys like this. If you do, then we can certainly do more designs in all shimmer drills. There are less colors available in the shimmer drill color range, and so it has to be, you know, strategically chosen art with maybe less colors. But we chose this one to pioneer that and see how it goes. So I look forward to you guys' feedback. So it kind of makes my job easy here today. I don't have to find where the specialty drills go and show you, because it's literally the whole painting, which is cool and exciting. As you can see, it's got a little black kitty with a star 1. She does resemble a character. I'm not gonna say who, because, you know, art is up to the interpretation and, you know, licensing and all that. But it's just an adorable kitty with a little star wand, and she's got a bow in her hair and ribbons flowing, and it's just, oh, so cute. Just want to eat her up. So because all of these are shimmer drills, I'll just show you guys some of these drills to show you guys what I mean. So some of them are going to have a stronger coating than others. Shimmer drills are essentially like, it's like a little, think of it like mica powder sort of, that you see in makeup or eyeshadow, where it's like it's sparkly, but it's not big chunks of glitter. And just because of the nature in some of the colors, it's going to be like a stronger sparkle shimmery effect than others. But yeah, some of these colors are going to be really intensely glittery. I'm trying to find like the most intense ones now. Oh, this is Brady. This is a really pretty one, and I don't even know if that will pick up on camera and you guys can even see or tell how beautiful that finish is. But every single one of these colors is a shimmer drill, so they're all going to have kind of a light shimmery dusting. So I thought I would show you some of these colors poured into a tray, just because they look completely different once they kind of get into the tray and all get flipped the right direction. In my experience, I kind of find that like darker, more pigmented base colors of drills really show up that shimmer drill coating a little bit more. This particular color that I have out is going to end up being up here in this purple part up there. I'll pull out, obviously I'm not going to show all of the colors, but I'll just kind of take out a few that are catching my eye. So here's one. This is number 22. This is going to be the color that is going to make up the bulk of the kitty's face and body. So let's take a look at that one in a tray. Oh, it's so pretty. So if you get all close up in there, you can see this kind of like shimmery mica powder inside the drills, and it's just like, I don't know, it just adds a little va-va-voom to those drills. So this is going to be the color that makes up the bulk of the kitty's face and the body right here. We'll pull out a few more colors. Okay, so this is one of my favorites. This is 939. So this is going to end up being the outline of the kitty and in her eyes as well. Oh, this is one of my favorites. I think it's because like the shimmery mica powder they use is sometimes like a little bit kind of blue. And on this like dark black background, look how well you can see that. It is so pretty. It's like a dark blue base. And you can really see. Now I see a couple of drills in there that are kind of more solid. So you might want to pick those out. Like I said, this is a new process. A new kind of foray into complete shimmer drill paintings. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. 939. That is going to be the outline of the kitty and in her eyes. Okay, this color I'm pouring in is going to make up the bulk of the lighter parts in the background you see. It's the checkmark symbol. And so you'll be using this color a lot. So let's take a look. This is a very soft blush pink color. And so you're going to be using this quite a bit in the background. Now this is one where the shimmery finish is a little bit more subtle. But as you can see there, I'm going to zoom in as far as I can. I'm doing this on a phone as well. But as you can see, there's like a mica powder iridescent finish in those drills. And it looks so pretty. And also these are like the new molds for the drills, so they should fit together like so well, like puzzle pieces falling into place. As you can see, they line up super well in the tray even. But yeah, that just kind of goes to show a little bit of the variety in this particular image. Hopefully you guys like it. I am looking forward to your feedback as you work on it. You know, let me know the fit of the drills and the grid. You know, just let me know your thoughts working on an all shimmer drill canvas, and hopefully we can do more of these in the future if kind of the artwork is the right fit. Just keep that in mind before you're like, make every diamond painting into a shimmer drill painting. That is just not possible at this point, and it won't look good. Just trust me, there's only a certain limited amount of colors that we can use. So I want to do one last color. I want to take a look what this orange looks like. Now it shows up in, I believe, just like one star up here. But I just am taking a look at kind of the color variety when it comes to the shimmer drills. So far, I feel like the deeper, kind of darker and blue and purple colors are kind of showing up best. But I don't know. This one might change my mind. Look at this one. Ooh, I love this one. This is a good one. So this one is an orange. That looks really good on that one, as you can see. Oh my gosh, look at it. Just catch the light. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I think it just comes down to like how pigmented and deep the color is. So yeah, looking forward to you guys' thoughts. If you pick this one up, please share the Facebook group your experience while working on it and any thoughts you have. You guys get to have a peek in my very messy craft desk. I am almost done working on With the Stars right now, so this is just like a little Easter egg. But yeah, I've just got this one square left. I kind of chose what part I wanted to do last, and I covered that with release paper. It's a really fun technique if you haven't tried it before. And yeah, look how freaking pretty. Look how freaking pretty. I did enhance this a little bit, so just full transparency, this has the enhancement suggestion set from DP with Sparklers, but this is another Munimade must buy if I do say so myself. I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys that for today's release. It's available now at Munimade.com, so grab one while you still can. We made a couple of updates with our premium add-ons. If you would like, you can get a tray with your diamond painting, and now you can actually select what size and color that comes in your premium toolkit. So if you order a premium toolkit, you get a bunch of goodies. You get like wax, washi tape, tweezers, multi-placers, a little single placer pen. But the big thing is you also get a Munimade 3D printed tray. Those are made to order. But yeah, now you can select your size and your color if you want to get a premium toolkit. This painting is going to be paired with a medium blue dust cover bag. That's the one that fits. If you would like to get a bag with your painting, you can also always get a carrying tube. We sell those. And you know, if you are new to diamond painting, or maybe newer to diamond painting and you don't have a lot of tools yet, you are more than welcome to get a free basic toolkit as well. Just select it in the drop down on the website whenever you are checking out. So let me know what you guys think about this. I'm really excited to see the first one be finished. I don't know if I've shown, I'm just like grabbing like my favorite colors. I obviously gravitate towards purple. I'm like, ooh, I love purple. I'm really excited to see what this one looks like finished, because it is kind of like a pioneer kind of product here. And so I'm excited to see how it goes, how it looks when finished, how the drills fit together. So looking forward to you guys' feedback in the Munimade Facebook group, and I will see you guys over there. Thank you so much for watching and taking a peek at this painting today. Once again, they're available now at Munimade.com, and it's good to talk to you guys today. So I hope you have a fabulous day and happy crafting. Bye!